So I went to Sephora the other day and here are all of the things that I got for free. For free! For free. So let's do a little unboxing because I love a good deal and I'm sure you guys do too. And I just want to show you guys the free stuff that I got. And no, none of this is sponsored, by the way. I wish it was. So this is the Glowy Skin BFFs and it's part of the Sephora Beauty Insider birthday present and it's from Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. Everything in their product line smells so good, feels so good on my skin. I mean, look at this packaging as well. Come on, so cute. Oh, wow. So it looks like there's a lot of stuff in this package. First of all, they've got this Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops, which I definitely should have done my makeup after this to see how this worked out. There's also the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Love that. I'm definitely gonna have to have myself a little self-care night to night, have a big bubble bath and use all of these products, do some skincare. I also have the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I love the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's one of my favorite products from Glow Recipe. I also have the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner from Glow Recipe, and I used this yesterday and it was great because I couldn't help myself. I had to open this entire box. And lastly, they also have the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Plum Plump. Plum Plump, Plum Plump, Plum Plump, Plum Plump. Love that. It just smells so good. So good, so good. Love it. Okay, so that's everything for the birthday package. And once again, oh, I lied. This is not the birthday package. This is the 500 point set. So I guess I had 500 points. So this is not the birthday package. Sorry, guys. I had like 700 points. So these are all the things that I got with my points. And I also got the birthday package, but this is the 500 points package. I think is incredible because I'm sure this values were more than free and I got it for free. Basically, obviously I had to spend money to get points, but I don't go there that often. So the fact that I could get this is pretty cool, pretty awesome. I also got this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. It has a patent two-step peel with 5 AHAs, BHAs, smooth fine lines, which I'm already getting, and I'm close to being 30, so I'm fine with it. I'm cool with it. I'm welcoming it. It just means I lived a happy, healthy life. It also minimizes the look of pores, which you guys can't see on this camera, but I got those too. Improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture, which I'm wearing makeup right now, so you can't see. Yeah, I'm gonna use this tonight too. Comes with 3 treatments. Wow, look at that. So basically, it looks like you use, number 1, exfoliate and smooth. So you use the first part of the treatment. Second part is the anti-aging neutralizer. Cool. I'm definitely gonna have to try this tonight. Awesome. I just love unboxing new fun things that I've never used before. This is what I got from being a beauty insider for my birthday. This is the free gift that Sephora is sending. And no, I didn't just put the free gift back in the box to show you guys the unboxing because I've been using this product for the last 2 weeks or week, I guess. No, but anyways, jokes aside, yes, I already did open this because I had to. It's the Youth to the People set. It comes with the green tea, kale and green tea, spinach, vitamin superfruit cleanser. It also comes with the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask, which I haven't used yet. I've been holding off on using it for a special day like today where it's raining and pouring and gross and I just want to stay in all day and do skincare, which I'm not staying in all day and doing skincare. I'm actually working, and then at night I will stay in, do some skincare, have a big bubble bath, and have my moment. And it also came with the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. And this was a free gift. So let's unbox it. Look, so cute. It says happy birthday. So here is the cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers. I just love it. Oh, whoa, I'm like backwards. Guys, look at my... Sorry, anyways, I'm distracted. This is the kale and green tea spinach. This is the worst unboxing ever. Kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. I love that it comes in a glass container. I used to always buy this when I lived in Toronto because I had the little pump as well, and I still have pumps because I mean they're just so useful and helpful for skincare. I just love the packaging for it. They also have the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. So excited to use this. Oh, I guess I already did. JK. Okay, and lastly, free birthday gift also comes with the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. But yeah, those are all the free things that I got at Sephora, or I guess kind of free things. I honestly just wanted to unbox these things with you guys because I love watching unboxings, and I was hoping that I would bring that same energy of the people that I love to watch unbox, but I'm not very good at unboxings, I guess, to say the least. So comment if you think this one was good, this unboxing was good, and yeah. It's raining a lot, so I'm gonna go have a nice warm cozy bubble bath after I teach because I still work today. Okay, bye.